Hey y'all, welcome to Video Game Theory, the show where the title explains what the whole show is all about. On today's episode, we'll be going over Newton's three laws of motion, which is really exciting, obviously. We'll show you a clip, which is usually me in a video game showing one of the laws, and then afterwards, it'll be explained. So, without further ado, we'll start with the first clip by Reymart.
So in this clip, you'll see the bottle of bleach currently at rest, and then when the revolver hits this bottle of bleach, it will be in motion. This is because of Newton's first law. An object at rest remains at rest, an object in motion remains in motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force, also known as the law of inertia. And unbalanced force here is the revolver, and the object is the bottle of bleach.
Yo, did you know I can do hair like this? It's actually really fun and cool. Huh? We're back? Hey, thanks, Reymart, for that wonderful explanation. So, we'll be moving on to the second clip, which will be explained by me. See you then. As you see, the skull and the helicopter are both shot by the same revolver. It causes the skull to move wildly and the helicopter not to move much at all. This is Newton's second law of motion, an unbalanced force causing an object to accelerate, shown by force equals mass times acceleration. Since the two objects got hit with the same amount of force, the amount of mass determines the acceleration. Since the skull had less of a mass than the helicopter, it had a higher acceleration. So that means since the helicopter has more mass, it's not going to have much acceleration. We'll be moving on to the last clip explained to us by Freddy.
Don't be caught flat-footing. I have the tools for the job.
In this clip, you see the lady who is Caitlin. You see Caitlin take her sniper and release a snare that causes her to move back a couple of feet. This shows Newton's third law that states for every action force there is an opposite and equal reaction force. The action force being the release of the snare, and the reaction is that Caitlin's pushed back from it.
Thank you, Freddy, for that wonderful explanation. Well, we'll have to end video game theory on that note, folks. So tune in next week. Wait, this is the only episode of video game theory. Oh, okay. Bye then.